Hello students, I welcome you in today's English class for class 10th. We are starting first chapter, A Triumph of Surgery, from the book Footprint Without Feet by James Herriot. First of all, let us see about the author. James Herriot, he was from England. He was born on 3rd October 1916. He was a veterinary surgeon and a writer. In all his writings, we will find pets and animals. Here, also in this story, we find how he cures a pet, a dog named Tricky. His stories are very simple and they are very much expressive, showing his love for pets. First of all, before moving ahead with the story, let us have a look on the main characters of the story. First main character is Tricky. Tricky was a small dog and was excessively loved by his mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey. He was greedy and loved food, but no exercise. As a result, he became fat, and Mrs. Pumphrey believed that he became lazy because he suffered from malnutrition. Tricky was a dog, but he was living a very luxurious life because his owner, Mrs. Pumphrey, she was very much loving and caring for him. She used to love him like her own child, and he was provided every comfort of life along with food. She used to give him excessive food or diet, which was not required for Tricky, and she never took him for any exercise. That's why Tricky gained a lot of weight and he has become very fat. In this picture, you can see how fat was Tricky, even unable to move, and this kind of help was very dangerous for dog or anyone else. The next character is Mrs. Pumphrey. She was wealthy woman. She loved her dog too much. She gave him some little extras between meals to build him up: malt, cod liver oil, and a ball of Horlicks at night. She gave him lot to eat but no exercise. So here we are finding that how much caring, loving character is Mrs. Pumphrey's. She was very rich, wealthy lady, and she used to provide every comfort of life to the dog Tricky, like her own child. We can see how rich diet was being given to the dog. Once he became ill and she was worried and made a frantic call to Herriot, who was a vet. James already gave suggestions regarding Tricky's balanced diet, but she never followed it. Mrs. Pumphrey was always advised by the veterinary surgeon many times regarding the health of Tricky, but she never paid attention towards his suggestions. He advised her to cut down her sweets, he advised her to cut down her diet, and he advised her to provide exercise to the dog so that he can improve his health. But she did not pay any attention and it resulted in the illness of the dog. And after illness, she immediately called the doctor. Now, let us see the gist of the story. This story has been written by James Herriot. The subject of the story is a pet dog which is spoilt by its owner. The owner indulges her dog so much with food and other comforts that the dog has become overweight and cannot even walk properly. Finally, the dog has been taken to a veterinary doctor who treats the dog without using a single medicine. In this story, we will find that this story has a connection in present era also, because many parents also we are finding nowadays they pampered their children a lot Children are being provided junk food by their own parents on their own demand. Parents, they try their level best to fulfill the desires or ask the desires of their children, which are being asked by them time to time. In this story we find that Mrs. Pumphrey, she provide every comfort of life to her dog. The dog is left with all other dogs so that it can play and get the much needed physical exercise. After a period of enough physical activities, the dog loses much of its fat and becomes hale and hearty. So, Mrs. Pumphrey's irregular diet, excessive diet, resulted in the illness of the dog Tricky. And as we all know, that illness will be cured in the hospitals only. So, she also approached a veterinary surgeon for help, and the surgeon, he advised her to hospitalize Tricky as soon as possible. And Tricky had to leave all the comforts of his life and he had to join the hospital with other dogs. And there, Tricky started doing physical activities along with other dogs. For first 2 days he was kept hungry without food, with only water. And after 2 days, he started taking some food and taking some exercises also. And he started become thin. Apparently, this is a simple story with simple subject, but if we try to read between the words, the story has much significance for our life as well. So, as I have already told, that in present context, though the subject is very simple, this is the story of a pet or a dog, but it had a very significant, meaningful message for all of us that overeating, excessive eating, and unhealthy diet will spoil our health definitely. And it is for our kids also. We are finding nowadays many kids who are overweight and who are not taking care of their diet. They are taking unhealthy diet without any exercise, without any recognition of their health. But as being a parent, we should provide them healthy things. We should always try to give them a very good health. And after joining surgery, after joining the hospital, after joining the veterinary hospital, Tricky was recovered and his mistress was called again to pick up him from the hospital. She was very happy to listen that, and she came and joined him. She was very much thankful to the veterinary surgeon who had cured her favorite pet. But the secret was that Tricky was cured without giving a single medicine. Actually, James was a tactful surgeon and he provided him the natural treatment. He kept him among other dogs in natural environment with a balanced diet, and in this way he improved his health and cured, and in this way only he was able to go back to his home in a very with a very healthy physique. So now here, this is the end of the gist. In tomorrow's class, we will read the text.